Hello YouTube and welcome to this short but extremely helpful tutorial on how to fix slow upload issues on YouTube. If you're having trouble uploading your videos to YouTube at a reasonable speed, there are a few things that you can try to fix this problem. And let me tell you that I've tried a lot of these options in the past, but only these few tips have been helpful. So you better want to watch this video till the end to learn and ensure that you don't miss out on any of these steps that I'm going to mention. First, make sure you have a stable and fast internet connection. A slow and unstable connection can significantly slow down the uploading process. Next, try closing any other programs or activities that may be using up your internet bandwidth, such as streaming video or music, gaming, or downloading large files. If you're using a wireless connection, try moving closer to the router or switching to a wired connection if possible. This can help improve the speed and stability of your connection. You can also try uploading your video in smaller chunks. For example, if your video is an hour long, try uploading it in 15-minute increments. This can help reduce the strain on your internet connection and allow the upload to complete more quickly. If you're still having trouble after following these steps, you may want to try using a different web browser or uploading the video from a different device. This does help in boosting the uploading speed in certain situations as well. I hope these tips have helped you fix your slow uploading issue on YouTube. Let me know in the comments section if this was helpful, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section as well. Thank you for watching and happy uploading. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.